Everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews. And if you are a pet owner like myself, I have 2 dogs. They have dog beds. I have to wash them in the washer. And with this active washing machine cleaner, this is a must for deep cleaning your machine after you clean your dog bedding or anything else. This will be septic safe because I do live on a property that has a septic tank. This is going to be a 1-year supply. There's going to be 24 individually packaged tablets that you will throw into your washing machine. And what I love is that they give you this calendar in a sense where you can mark off to keep track because you're going to want to do this twice a month for your best results. And these are going to be individually packaged. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. They are blue and they're square, and they are going to dissolve in your washing machine to give you that deep clean, targeting specifically pet owners. So if you want to keep your machine in tip-top shape and running clean, cleaning that stainless steel drum inside there, then definitely check out this active washing machine cleaner. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.